Guys, today we're gonna upload tomorrow. So look at this video, okay? Let's go! Let's start. So guys, let's start studying. This is my desk. Look at this. I'm gonna on that light. So bright. And this is actually my desk. Look at it. Does it look good? Well, let's study. Let's go. What should I study? Oh, maybe I gonna draw Broad from Sprunky, but I already did that. So what should I make? Oh, Pinky. Pinky na lang. Where's Pinky's color? Recycle, Mikula, original. Wait lang, guys.
Pero pag ay pagkatapos ng school nila, lumalabas.
Yo guys, I'm gonna add some music, okay? This is one of my favorite music. This is the music. Oh, the lamp. Wala. Ilalagay lang akong guys. Oh, this is the music. Please don't laugh at the music, please, guys. Just don't laugh at it. Bet, okay, bet. Okay, bet. Don't laugh. Bro, this is the song. Wait. Guys, this is one of my favorite songs.
Have you ever dreamed of owning a business? Download the Alibaba.com app. Get inspired by data-driven daily rankings.
Recycle, Mikula, original taste.
The sugar 1.5, see ingredients, carbonated, Mikula, caramel color, acidity regulator, natural flavor, Mikula, original taste, the Emperador Light, premium.
You guys, that's one of my favorite songs. Do you want it again? Sure. Again.
Recycle,
Mikula, original taste.
the sugar 1.5, see ingredients, carbonated, Mikula, caramel color, acidity regulator, natural flavor, Mikula, original taste, the sweet, Emperador Light, premium.
No. Other song. What song should I?
What is up, everyone, and welcome to the WAN Show. It's
Not
been
this, not this. Oh, yeah.
¡Peter, Peter! ¡Mira, allá va el patito Juan! Sí, ¿sabes que ayer lo encontré? ¿Y sabes lo que me contó? ¿Qué te dijo? ¿Qué te dijo? ¿Qué te contó? ¿Querés que te cuente? A ver, escucha, escucha. Encontré al patito Juan en la esquina del zaguán. Encontré al patito Juan en la esquina del zaguán. Y me dijo, ven que vamos a charlar. Un consejo sano yo te voy a dar. Y me dijo, ven que vamos a charlar. Un consejo sano yo te voy a dar. Obedece a tu papá. No. Obedece a tu mamá. ¿A mi mamá también? Y si lo haces el Señor, ¿qué va a pasar? ¿Qué va a pasar? Larga vida te dará. Mira vos. Obedece a tu papá. De vuelta. Obedece a tu mamá. Bueno. Y si lo haces el Señor, larga vida te dará. Qué bueno, ¿eh? Cada día al despertar, a Jesús debes orar. Orar. Cada día al despertar, a Jesús debes orar. Qué bueno. Y también tu Biblia tienes que leer, porque así un niño bueno vas a ser. Y también tu Biblia tienes que leer, porque así un niño bueno vas a ser. Oh.
Ano ito? I want that song again. This song. I want this song.
Drink Del Monte Fiber Enriched after your all-day kain to cleanse your tummy nightly.
Recycle mi cola, original taste.
May sugar 1.5 C ingredients carbonated may cola caramel color acidity regulator natural flavor may cola original taste Refina Emperador Light
Dalawang lesson, ibusin mo lahat. Bawa sa isang lesson, di ba marami? Sa taas sila. Yung pito daw nakalabas. Yung dalawa lang. Baka na, kasi yan bago yung nangyari. Baka tulog na tapos baka nagising. Kaya tinanong ako.
Recycle mi cola, original. Ano? Recycle mi cola. Bro! My brother take away my iPad. And this is my other iPad, bro. Recycle mi cola, original taste. Guys, I made Broad, Sky, Mr. T, and Clocker, and Gray, and Wenda, and Pinky, and Raddy. So, comment down what you want next to me to drawing. Bye bye guys. See you at the next video.